Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about order flow and understanding the depth of market by using Market Atlas. If you understand the depth of market and the order flow, you have an edge over 99% of the traders that they try to benefit from the volatility of the market in the first 2 hours. Let's watch this recap and see how we're using Market Atlas at Trading Terminal to find the direction of the stocks, especially at the open of US stock market open. Today was a really great trading day. Just based on the Market Atlas, we did Nvidia and Tesla, TSLL, and that turned out to be a very profitable day for me. I covered the shorts that I had on Microsoft at the break-even though those shorts were actually have given me a significant amount of profit if I were holding on that. All right, guys, crazy day for the market, but we did have really good trading. Right now, what I'm seeing right now is Nvidia earnings coming up, and the best way of doing Nvidia earning is actually by using trading terminal breaking news. So as you're saying here, the order book on Nvidia, even though the market is closed, the half an hour has been closed, it's bullish. So you have these 202, 203 orders. There you go. So went through 202, went through 203. And yeah, it looks like very strong in earning. Again, I didn't really watch to that what's happening, but it's very nice to see the price action. This is a really crazy volume and impacts the whole market. Like SPY is going up, Qs obviously is going up. These are all the same. So the same, and AMD did get impacted, but it's really nice that how Nvidia is moving up. And again, the Atlas is really bullish the way that is going up. So what we're going to do here is we're going to review the trades that we did today. It was a really great day for me. It was one of the biggest days that I had. So look at this big ask at 203. Look at the order. It's actually really nice to record this post-market as well. So the Market Atlas is the depth of market, is the liquidity of the market, but with a time stamp. And you see the big levels forming. And the way that we trade this one is usually we find the bullish patterns and then like ABCD pattern or bull flag or opening range breakout, and then we trade it toward the liquidity pools. So we want to go toward right now 204 on NVDA. So as you see here, when you're actually zooming out, now 205 is a huge order sitting up there. So if this continues go, if this was at the open, if this market was open, I would have definitely taken this trade toward the 205. But right now in the post-market, pre-market, so you can't really make market orders that easily. So I stay away from it. But Nvidia is really great. So live earning action of Nvidia is right now is happening. So let's go through the trades that we did today. So Tesla at the open, again, what I'm looking at is really simple. Is the most important indicator that you must have in your chart is the Market Atlas, which shows you the depth of market. So as you see here, Tesla at the open, so really didn't do anything, and suddenly a massive move from $412 to above $420, which is Elon Musk's favorite number. So what happened here? How do we catch to capitalize from this 412 all the way up to 415, 420? So one thing that you're using is the chart pattern. So one thing that you want to use is look at the candlestick. So obviously this is a very strong 1 minute. This becomes 1 minute opening range breakout if you want to take it to the upside. But what would be the confirmation that you can use? The confirmation that you can use is actually the Market Atlas. So if you are having a Market Atlas, so what you can do is you can look at the level 2, and if there are big orders that are on 420, like in this case, again, the market is closed, but if the orders are sitting up, they're very similar to that, you can actually take the trade to the upside. So the higher the liquidity up toward the levels, very significantly, which in this case they are, it means that the price is going to go toward that. And that's exactly what we did it through TSLL. So Tesla, get popped up, really strong open. We looked at the Market Atlas and we saw that there is very strong liquidity still up here at 420. So I took this 1 minute opening range break up. I added on the way up through TSLL, 1570, all the way up, we sold it above $16. We did add one more time here because we had this really amazing orders sitting up there. And the last time I added here, I got to stop that. I eventually came back. What happened later after that was, let me see, actually go to 5 minutes. Yeah, it never really came back to the high of today, but still, that was an amazing scalp that we could do TSLL. So again, two more important things that we had: chart pattern, like ABCD pattern, opening range breakout, ABCD pattern, and very least compared to the volume weighted average price. And another thing that we looked at is the Market Atlas with the depth of market or liquidity. Same trade on Nvidia. So Nvidia, again, we knew it's going to be earning tonight. It's going to be some volatility. It tried to come up above the VWAP. I got a stopped out, came back up again, and we had really clear levels up toward 196. And then I went long, and as you see, it's a huge profit that we took on that. And I actually have some recording and some screenshots of that as well. So if I go to the 5 minutes, so what? Right now, what happened? So on the 5 minutes, closed red, came back up. I tried to, take an opening 5 minutes opening range breakout or bullish engulfing. That's the strategy that we teach. I got to stop that. Came back up again, and then I decided to go back long again, and then we get this massive move. And I did add one time in there, and I got stopped out. So, but on a 5 minutes, it's a really massive move. But how did we do that? Is with the help of Market Atlas. And Market Atlas is really showing, as I showed you in the post market right now, when you have these clear orders, like if this was the open and I have this, opening range strength, strong opening range, if I have this one and I have the 205, I would have definitely taken the trade with the hope to get to 205. So, the price action, which is the candlestick and VWAP and moving averages, and Market Atlas, this confirmation of these two together can be a very strong, powerful. So this is the time that I took that trade. Again, look at the timestamp, 9:51:11. So we went long here because we thought that it's going to squeeze up. We had this big order at 195, and it did drop. I got stopped out. Okay, that's one risk. And as soon as it came back up, I went long. I added more. The high of the day was 195, and obviously the Market Atlas was ready for us. And look at the timestamp that I'm going to the next slide. This is the 47. I'm going to go to slide number 48. See, boom, we took the 195, and this one continued going up again. Another thing that I wanted to show you here is that at 9:51 here is that you see all of these orders here. This is all the same orders that are stacking here on Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq total view is the same. So all these orders are there, and they're getting filled. So again, 9:51:11, and you just looked at. Just look at this, 9:51 in 40 seconds later, 50 seconds later, boom. Not only it just went through, and also I started partially right for the fills, and now they're taking the orders up toward 195.50. This is the most important indicator that you should have for scalping and day trading. And what we did is partnership with Nasdaq. We built this one, and let's take another screenshot here, and then I see as the orders are going to go to 196. Look at the time frame, 9:53:55. So as you see here is really continued orders continue going higher, and you can continue partially, or you can add in there. I potentially should have added in there, but again, on the pullback I could add it, and then again the order 96 here, you can zoom out, and then boom, it goes up. And in the last piece that here, I got filled at 196. So the most important indicator and most important tool that you guys should have for day trading is a Market Atlas. And Market Atlas by itself doesn't tell you what to do and how to trade. You need to put in the perspective of the price action and candlesticks, and based on that you make a decision. I hope this has been useful. You guys have a really good trading day, and if you have any questions, just ask in the comments and I'm answering that.